Dealing with high disk usage from CompatTelRunner.exe on Windows 11? Here are 4 quick fixes to resolve this issue. First, you will have to press Windows key and the R key and type tasks.hd.msc and hit enter. Now click on Task Scheduler Library and then click on Microsoft and then click on Windows. In the drop-down menu of Windows, click on the Application Experience. Now you will see some tasks on the right pane of Application Interface. Right-click on the Microsoft Compatibility Appraiser and click on the Disable. Close the task scheduler and reboot your computer. Check if CompatTelRunner.exe is still having high disk usage. If it is still having high disk usage, then go for the next fix. Press Windows key plus R and Run window will prevail. Then type cput Windows So System 32 and hit enter. Now click on the Search tab on the uppermost right corner, type CompatTelRunner. Right-click on it and click on Properties. Click on the Security tab and then click on the Advanced tab. Click on the Change Beside Owner. Now click on Advanced. Click on the Find Now tab and look for your username. Select the name and click on OK. Now click on OK. Click on Apply and OK. Now you have to right-click on CompatTelRunner and click on Properties. Go to the Security tab. Select the username you have changed ownership to. Now, again, select your username. Check the box beside the Full Control. Next, click on Apply and OK. Close the Permissions for CompatTelRunner window. Now look for the CompatTelRunner and right-click on it. Click on Delete. Open Service Manager by searching Services in Windows Search and then clicking on Services icon. Double-click on Connected User Experiences and Telemetry. Now, choose Startup Type. As disabled, click on Stop. To stop it, thanks for watching. If it helps, make sure to hit like and subscribe.